The crowds at the Goodwood Festival of Speed are giving an enthusiastic reception to the Lexus Electrified Sport Concept, which is making its European debut at the world-famous automotive celebration this weekend. This unique model represents Lexus's vision for an all-electric, high-performance sports car, a foretaste of what the future might hold as the company evolves to become a luxury brand dedicated to battery electric vehicles. The Lexus Electrified Sport Concept is proving a highlight for visitors to Electric Avenue, a display zone dedicated to zero-emission electric vehicles. Admirers have been quick to discern elements of the car's dramatic styling that echo the celebrated and ultra-rare Lexus LFA. Where that hand-built supercar of the last decade was characterized by its powerful and acoustically thrilling naturally aspirated V10 engine, the Lexus Electrified Sport Concept looks to a new era of sports models that fully exploit the design freedoms, performance and handling potential provided by an all-electric drivetrain. Lexus anticipates a production version of the concept could be capable of 0 to 62 miles per hour acceleration, below 2-second range, while potential use of new solid-state battery technology could secure a driving range of more than 430 miles.